These colorful candies are honeypot ants that change color with their food. Newly born honeypot ants resemble other ants, but only the largest workers become honeypot ants. They don't work, they just wait quietly for other worker ants to feed them. Their bellies swell to the size of grapes. Honeypot ants hang upside down in the nest, day after day, just eating. When food is scarce, they are useful. They regurgitate stored nectar to feed the colony. When the food runs out, honeypot ants shrink back to normal size. They store food for companions and preserve delicacies for humans. Indigenous people in the Indo-Pacific enjoy honeypot ants. They pluck off the head and pop it into their mouths like eating grapes, biting down to release the juicy nectar.